Alright, time for part 2. Let's try and just move this one out of the way. I'm not going to just move it out of the way. I'm going to have to forcefully move it out of the way. Here we go. Let's get it in there. Oh, don't hide from me. Through this box. Oh, that belt's still not adjusted. Adjust the belt. Race car. This race car vacuum. Oh, it's always. There we go. Is it ready to work now? Is it ready to work now? It's just a fan. Oh, get back in there. Oh, it broke. Oh, it's stupid. There we go. That came clean off. Let's remove this excess plastic. Just that belt. Oh, my phone's it's slouching now. That's it. It's just a rubber ring. Man, how cheap. Let's fix that motor. Turn back on. Dented. Stented. But that's going to work right now. Let's see. Is it free? Hold on. Let go! Let go! Stupid. There we go. Now it's free. Let's see, does it still spin? Yeah, it does, but it's all dented and mashed up. Aw, that's it. It just pops off. How cheap. Well, this doesn't come off. Oh, it looks like it broke. Looks like we had chopped it up. Chop in action. Stupid motor. Stupid plastic. Work. You're perfect. Insulted me. There. That's perfect. Now it's ready to work. So just switch. There you go. Stupid. So just a switch. Just that motor. Just that fan. Look. Oh, look at that. I got stuff flying all over the place. Now it will never work. Oh, a screw it flying. I bet this will work right now. Let's see if we can get it to work. Stop slouching. Race car. Oh, now it's slouching. Man, look at how cheaply made this is. all it takes. It's just one hit. Look at that. Now it's ready to work. It's perfect. It's all perfect now. Oh, we broke the tube. Oh, I broke the tube. Oh, it cracked. Let's fix that. Stop bouncing away. Oh, my phone keeps slouching. Let's fix that handle. There we go. Now it's ready. That's all it is now. Let's get it to work. Look at that. Look at how cheaply made that is. That's all it took. That's that bottom plate. He's tried to assault me. Tried to assault me. Turn back on. Now it looks like a spaceship. Check the belt. Check that brush. Is it perfect? Is it ready to go? Should be ready to go now. Oh yeah, it's definitely ready for use. Ready to work. It's stupid. Ready to work? Ready to work? Stupid reinforced bottom plate. Look at that, now it's all mangled. I bet it's definitely ready to work now. Looks like some sort of spacesuit now. Yeah. It looks evil. No wonder it's called the Dirt Devil. It was the devil of vacuums because it didn't work. Oh, my phone slouches. What happened? What was the problem? Let's give it one more whack. Well, that thing tried to assault me big time. That's all that's left. Oh, look, that's all that's left. Oh, we broke the screen. Oh, it's shattered. Shatterproof, huh? Oh, this thing's still holding on for dear life. Let's fix that. There we go. Except it's still holding on. And so let's fix that. Let go. Give me the screw. Race car. Race car vacuum. Stupid. Oh, what happened? Problem. Oh, bend the screw. There we go. Now it's bent. Now it'll never come out. It's my fault. You should have straightened out. Oh, it's stupid. Let's give this thing a few hits. Let's adjust the bend. There, vent's adjusted. Does it work now? Oh, the handle's still intact. Let's fix that. Let's fix the handle. Shatters into a billion pieces. Wow, shatterproof. Look at that. Check that switch. Better work good. Oh no. Oh, it's falling apart. There we go. Now, oh, that held on for dear life. Oh, we lost the cord. Maybe this will help it to work. Hit me, stupid handle. Don't assault me. Just shatter already. Shatterproof plastic. There. I bet that's gonna run great now.